This is a story all about how we're giving a car away today. This car, right now, let's go. We're going to just get the car ready to give away. So when we picked it up, the fans, the heater fans stopped working. So Pip's ruled out everything else apart from the fan itself. So that's what we're going to change today. Shouldn't be too long because it is very cold. And then we're going to just tidy it up inside a little bit, ready to give away.
The face of effort.
It's just really difficult. Ta-da! It doesn't look that bad. I've got all on the ignition. Job done, mate. We're now going to start the cleaning process. So Pip's just getting the hoover and I'm going to start wiping everything down and generally cleaning nuts. So just before Christmas, our friend got a new car. It's the nicest Honda I've ever seen. It's really nice. It's got a nice colour. It's nice and tidy. So he was just giving his car to essentially scrap. So what we said was we would take the car and essentially we thought, you know, we'd then have the Fiat Punto, the 2004 Fiat Punto, the 2004 Astra, and then this 2007 Corsa, and we thought maybe we could sell them all, get an actual modern car. And then we thought about it a little bit more. Pip suggested that one of my family members is just turning 18 and he kind of needs a car. You know, you're young, you need a car to go out and do stuff. So we then decided to give away a car. It turned out to be the most modern car, this one, the 2007. It's just the nicest car. It tells the time. That's also a nice feature that Pip's Astra doesn't, because he's changed the player. What else is really nice about this? Oh, we changed the heating, so the heating works, which for some of our classics is a bit unusual. It's got air conditioning. Yeah, it's just a really nice drive. It's got volume adjusters that work. It's a really nice car. Our friend's had this, I think he said he had it for like 12 years. He's looked after it really well. It's a nice car. This is a good car. It's going to be a good first car. It's only 1.2, but it's really quite responsive, and it's really just quite nice. We're on our way now. They don't know that we're coming, hopefully, so it's all going to be a surprise. When we get there, we're going to wash it, and I got a nice little bow to stick on top of it, and a nice 18 banner because they're 18 today. So it's going to be a nice feel. Me and Pip both got given cars. Yeah, his first car was given. I've inherited a lot of the classic cars that I own. And so it's nice to be able to like give a car to someone who needs it, and it's like paying it forwards. So it's a nice feeling. I'm excited. I'm probably more excited than I should be. But yeah, let's do it. Let's give this car away.
So before we gave it away, we gave it a really good clean. And then I found this giant bow on Amazon, and it was a bit complicated to like bow up or bunch, but I had a few testers because it came with like little gold bows. So I did a few testers on them, got to the main bow, did it in a few positions. On top of the car was the best, and then we got to give it to him. So he didn't want to be on camera at all, so I have to be respectful of that. This video was all about the process of giving a car away, and I was super excited. He was super excited. He can't wait to get on the road with it. So thank you very much for watching. Think about subscribing if you want to see me fix, drive or race classic cars in the future, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.
I just did the whole thing and I wasn't recording. So
this is a top that my mum got me for Christmas. It says just one more car. It says just one more car, I promise. Don't promise. Don't promise.